Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to find the export button. Okay, so I saw many people, including my audience, my subscriber, asking me where's the export button, because when they click the export button the window is too big, so they cannot click the export button. Okay, so the problem may be because of the scaling option on your computer. For example, here is my laptop and it is very small, and whenever you click the export button, there's a window here, but it is very big and you cannot see the export button right here at the bottom. Okay, so to fix this issue, it is very simple. For example, you can go to your desktop. The mess up desktop. You want to right click anywhere on your desktop and then go to display setting, and you can scroll down here. We have the scale and layout, so just change the scale here. Now it is 175%, and you can just change it to 100%, for example. Okay, so everything is smaller, but also the screen is smaller, so you cannot see. By the way, we want to close the window. Okay, so let's restart my screen recording. Alright, and now the scale of my screen is 100%, and let's go back to Filmora. Okay, so here's my Filmora trial, and now if you click the export button, okay, and you will see the export window, and it is very small at the center of the screen, and you see this is the export button. So this is how you can find the export button in Filmora. Sorry, I'm too cold. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.